Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my beautiful spaceship is nicely tucked in the corner, being charged. And I want to drive my Ford GT, but I gotta get it wrapped first. The dealer told me do not drive this more than 5 miles an hour until you wrap the entire car. Protective film solution told me they have an opening for me end of the month. So I won't be doing a video on this car probably till mid-April. Which it's a bummer. Such a beautiful, sexy car. But let's take out one of my Bugattis out today. I haven't driven this white and blue Bugatti in a while, and I'll pick this as my lunch date. Let's take it out. Well, let's just hope it has gas. Great success. We got half a gas tank. Guys, good news is we have gas, but we have a couple of warning lights. What's new? These cars, man, I tell you, I should just buy a private jet.
You ever think about buying a jet?
Yeah, but you know, I have jets on wheels. No, jets are super high maintenance. It's really for convenience. And I just charter every time I take short trips. And why buy the cow when you can just buy the milk? I don't know, something like that. You catch my drift? Yeah, I really like the original console of the Veyron with this brushed aluminum. It has a very aerospace feel to it. Just the precision. Something about a Bugatti. Once you drive a Bugatti, it's hard to match that presence it has when you pull up. Like the godfather of the hypercars.
Do you have any things that you are not a big fan of when it comes to this car or any other Chiron or?
Big fan.
Like not a big fan of, like you would do different. Just your opinion.
Yeah, the stereo system. I don't even know where to connect Bluetooth, where the Bluetooth is. I mean, it's not user friendly. Yeah, I mean, the electronics on this car are not that user friendly. You know, you got your air conditioning and heat, this is your stereo, but you know, there is no really buttons that explain Bluetooth. And then the worst part on the Veyron is the navigation. The only screen you get in this entire car is right here in your mirror. Your navigation is in the corner and you turn it on. Yeah, there you go. So that's your navigation. Can you see it? It's a very small screen.
I didn't even know that. That's actually
crazy. Man. And guess what? It comes with a little PDA, super old school, that you got to connect to this to update the navigation. So, not so user-friendly.
What year is this car again?
2006.
Oh,
it's the first year they made the Veyron for US. It was made in 2004, 2005 in Europe, but for US it was 2006. See, now I can't shut this.
Oh, there you go.
And I bet you it probably has a destination of Molsheim, France, the factory.
With the PA system you're talking about, is that cell phone, that BlackBerry cell phone you're talking about? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. My name is Veyron Bugatti. I did 250 miles an hour. Holy moly. Very bumpy. I'm bumpy and I'm fast.
I've seen some of the comments. People are saying Manny or Manny Khoshbin. Yeah, you've had a lot of nicknames. You had Bugatti Man.
Yeah. Pistachio probably was one of them.
That was like, yeah, that's the OG name.
Wow. My God. Woo. Wow. Man, you drive a Bugatti, you gotta step on it for even half a second. Whatever. You gotta get that 16 cylinders roaring high.
Do you remember the first time you ever stepped on a Bugatti?
Oh yeah. It was the black and blue one I bought. Took it on 73 freeway, and I didn't do one bit over 65 miles an hour. That first drive in a Bugatti, the acceleration, it's unforgettable. Should we put the metal to the pedal or pedal to the metal? I have to stop because we don't want to go over the speed limit.
I've been seeing a lot of people change out their Bugatti tires and wheels to aftermarket wheels.
Yeah, because it's so much cheaper.
Yeah.
What are you saying, Nate?
I'm just trying to save you money, man.
Hey! All those wheel and tire shop owners, hit me up. Send me some cool spec on your wheels and tires. Hey, it's gotta be much cheaper than 38 grand Bugatti's gonna charge me. Alright, well, I don't know if my spoiler is up or down, but if I hit it, it makes a loud noise.
How do you know that?
Call it experience. Wow. Driving a Bugatti never gets old. Always a fun ride. Looks like we killed a couple of bugs today. Oh, it's bird poop, sorry. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be safe, be well. Make sure you subscribe and like my video. See you guys next week. People always ask me how I made my money. You see the Bugattis, Paganis, and McLarens, I've got it all from doing real estate. I've been doing that for 30 years. Buying, selling over $800 million. And now I'm here to teach you because you got to learn it to earn it. So check out the links below and see you there. Great success! Guys, the process of cooling off for a Bugatti Veyron takes about, 3 minutes. The wing goes down, makes all kinds of noise. Wow, you can just feel the heat coming off the engine. All right, now I gotta go back to work, buy some real estate.